Two cosmic titans, each packing more mass than our sun into a ball no bigger than a city. These are neutron stars, the ultra-dense remnants of massive stars that have exploded. When these incredibly dense objects spiral towards each other, gravity pulls them into a deadly cosmic dance, faster and faster until they collide in an explosion of unimaginable power. This cataclysm isn't just any explosion, it's a kilonova, a brief but brilliant flash that outshines entire galaxies. But the real magic happens in the aftermath. This incredible cosmic forge is where the universe crafts many of the heavy elements we find all around us. Gold, platinum, even uranium, all born in the fiery heart of these collisions. So, the next time you see gold jewelry or hold a piece of silver, remember its origin. It might have been forged billions of years ago in the spectacular, universe-shaping collision of two neutron stars. These events are not just scientific curiosities. They are the very architects of the elements that make up our world and ourselves.